Hello guys, today I'm going to show how to fix a water purifier in a kitchen window without drilling any holes. So you can see this is the way I fix my purifier in my home. So it is connected to the main tap or the sink of the kitchen, and the hose is going through the cartridge where the water is filtered, and you have to keep on changing the filter each 6 months. It's up to how many people are there in the house and how often you use it. And then the hose from the cartridge is going to the in valve from where the water is taken into the purifier. After this I will show you guys how I fixed it from the behind. So now you can just see the placement of, and this is the power supply like which I took from the above. That's up to you guys how you want to do it. So this is the placement from inside, how it looks. So if we see from behind, we can see that there are two sockets for hanging the purifier. So instead of drilling any holes for the screws, what I did is I just tied it with metal wire. You can use whatever you want to tie it, how much strength you want, it's up to you. So you can see I have tied it to the bars of the window. And for the cartridge, what I did was the same thing. I took wire from both the holes and just tied it to the bars. So now it is fixed, and the one of the benefit of doing like this is there won't be any holes in the walls which will damage it, and whenever you want to remove it you can easily remove by tying with wire. Next thing what we are going to see is how to save the rejected water from the water purifier. So the problem is whenever a purifier purifies water, a hell lot of water is rejected through the drain. So it comes up to 5 to 10 liters a day. So rather than wasting the water, you can just save it so that you can later use it for washing utensils or watering plants. So here is what I did. I just drilled a small hole on the side of the bucket and put the hose inside it. So the dripping water will keep on collecting inside the bucket, and I prefer a bucket with a lid so that it can be closed and stayed away from the impurities. So that's it guys, hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe, it helps a lot. Thank you.